Hello class, this is a video tutorial on converting fractions and decimals into hours, minutes, and seconds. Let's get straight into it. In this quick exercise, we're going to look at how to express the following in hours, minutes, and seconds. I've divided the work into first 6 fractions and then 6 decimals, and we're going to see how to convert all of these into hours and minutes and seconds. For some of you it might be a little bit easy. Well, for a few of these it's pretty easy. 2.5 hours. Okay, we can easily recognize that to be 2 hours and 30 minutes. But just to show you what it would look like when we input this, so 2.5, so it's 2 plus 1/2 of an hour. I'm going to show you now where the conversion button is. It's this one here. This one here. It looks like a bubble sort of thing. When we press this button, it converts it into 2 degrees and 30 minutes. And how we read this is exactly how we've already written it. So that's 2 degrees and 30 minutes. How we read this is actually the first number given to us here is actually hours with degrees. And the next number is minutes in that single dash, which is called minutes. And if we get further down the line here and we get smaller and smaller fractions or decimals, these become seconds. So you look like H, M, and S, or since it's degrees, it'll be D, M, S. So let's move through these fairly quickly now. So 1 and 1 plus 3/4. Press equals first, we get a fraction here. Press our conversion button, and this will show us 1 degree 45 minutes. But just as we shown, we can convert this into 1 hour and 45 minutes. Let's move right along here. 5 hours, 5 plus 4/5 of an hour. Press equals. Press that conversion button once again. It'll give us 5 degrees and 48 minutes, which we can convert into 5 hours and 48 minutes. Let's keep moving right along here. 3 hours and 2/3. 3 plus 2/3 of an hour equals, we convert this into 3 degrees 40 minutes, which we know to be 3 hours and 40 minutes. Let's keep going along here. 7 plus 7 and 5/6 of an hour. We press equals. Then we press our conversion button again. This will give us 7 degrees and 50 minutes, which converts to 7 hours and 50 minutes. Same thing here. We get 10 plus 10 and 7/12. We convert again, which will give us 10 degrees 35 minutes, which we can convert into 10 hours and 35 minutes. Let's keep on going now. Now, we've already seen here 2.5 and 2.5. But just to show you that we can input decimals and convert them, just like we do with fractions, I'm going to demonstrate this one again to you. So 2.5, we press equals first. When this number is in display, we press the conversion button, and once again 2.5 as a decimal is 2 degrees 30 minutes, which we know to convert to 2 hours and 30 minutes. Same goes for this. Very simply, 3.05, press equals and then a conversion button. This will give us, equals 3 degrees 3 minutes, which will give us 3 hours and 3 minutes. Same thing here again. 5.82. Press equals, and we convert one more time. Now here's our first instance of seconds. This will give us 5 degrees 49 minutes and 12 12 seconds. So 5 degrees 49 minutes and 12 seconds. And then we can convert this into 5 hours 49 minutes and 12 seconds. Let's keep on going here. 1.755 hours. So 1.755. We press equals. We simply take this number and we convert it into what's shown here. This is 1 degree 45 minutes and 18 seconds. And instead of degrees, we convert it into 1 hour 45 minutes and 18 seconds. Last two here now. 3.204, 3.204. Input that in. We press equals. We press our degrees minutes button. This will give us 3 degrees 12 minutes and 14.4 seconds, which again we can convert to 3 hours 12 minutes and 14.4 seconds. And lastly, here we go, 5.6 hours. We convert, this will give us 5 degrees 36 minutes. We convert that into 5 hours and 36 minutes. Hope that gave you plenty of examples and demonstration how to how to convert fractions and decimals into hours, minutes, and seconds. Best of luck.